Welcome to the video presentation of the instruction manual for the CL2 model offered by Nivel system. I hope that this presentation will make the operation of the equipment easier. Well, after unpacking the equipment, it is necessary to charge the battery. It can be done with a USB charger, which is provided with the device as a standard. The battery can also be charged through a car charger or laptop. In order to charge the laser, remove the protective cap, connect the charger, and fully charge the battery. In order to remove the battery, press the release button and vigorously pull out the battery. It is a standardized Nivel system battery which can be used with all new generation CL laser crossliners. In order to reinstall the battery, slide it between the guides and vigorously pull in. At the back of the battery, you can check the battery remaining value. It is worth mentioning that we applied here lithium-ion cells, which do not have the undesired memory effect. Therefore, the battery can be charged at any time, so that the battery in our equipment never runs down. In order to switch on the laser, it is necessary to vigorously move the switch on the side of the housing. The laser starts generating the horizontal plane. Switching between individual panels is possible with the control panel. There are two buttons. Laser, which is used to select the displayed plane. The second button turns on the pulse mode, which is used to enter the mode of operation with a laser sensor. When we work over longer distances, outside, where the beam is not visible, then we have to use the laser sensor. After the power supply is on, the laser performs auto-leveling, which is possible thanks to the integrated magnetic compensator. As we switch the laser button, we turn on or turn off individual planes, the horizontal one and the vertical one. While if we want to work with the sensor, it is necessary to turn on the pulse mode and find the laser beam with the use of the sensor. The sensor indicates, both visually and with a sound, where the reference line for our works is located. The Nivel system laser crossliners can have the plane tilted, which gives the possibility of working with sloping planes. For this purpose, press and hold the laser button for about 5 seconds. The laser automatically starts to generate the horizontal plane. And at the same time, the laser pulsates every few seconds, which means that we work with the sloping plane, do not work with the compensator. By pressing the laser button, we turn on individual planes until the moment that both planes are off. The pulse mode is turned off. The laser is offered with a wide range of standard accessories. The accessories include laser floor targets. After turning on, the equipment generates the bottom horizontal plane. With the use of this bottom plane and the floor targets which are used to present the laser lines, we can level the floors even over long distances. We can also use a special laser lift. When we place the laser on the lift, we can adjust the height of the beam in the horizontal plane. The accessories also include the construction target, which has a special scale. It can be used to adjust the construction elements both in horizontal and vertical planes. When fixed with a magnet to an element of the suspended ceiling, we can adjust the said element to the level set by the laser. The use of the laser adapter is also a very practical and functional solution. The laser should be attached to this adapter with the use of 1/4 thread, which then enables the installation of the laser in any place on the construction site. On a profile, on a hook, or simply its mounting on a steel element with the magnet. The knobs can be used to set the height of the horizontal beam. The set also includes laser goggles. They improve the visibility of the laser beam in some conditions. They are not protective goggles because our lasers are qualified as Class 2 lasers, which means they are safe for your eyes. As an option, you can buy two types of sensors: manual or digital. They are used to show the difference in heights as numbers, in millimeters. It is worth emphasizing that the pulse mode operates at a frequency of 10 kHz. Laser crossliners are also equipped with a radio module, Bluetooth module, which makes it possible to control the functions from mobile devices, such as your mobile phone. I will show this functionality in a minute. The Nivel system new generation CL laser crossliners have the Bluetooth module, which enables control from mobile devices. The apps are available, free of charge, from Google Play and the App Store. After the app is downloaded and installed, and after the device is turned on, the app auto-localizes the device and connects with the relevant laser. We can switch on and off individual planes. We can also switch off all planes and switch them on. And we can also turn on the pulse mode. We can also adjust the intensity of the laser beam. When we work in a less sunlit room, reducing the intensity is recommended, as it prolongs the operation time of the battery. The application can also be used to go to the producer's website and contact the technical support. It is a very simple application, and it will surely facilitate your operations in the field. The Nivel system lasers are covered by maintenance support both during the guarantee period and after its expiry. Before the sale, the equipment is verified and calibrated, which is confirmed by a dedicated personal calibration certificate confirming the correctness of measurements. However, we recommend that the equipment be submitted to the service center at least once a year, where it can be verified and calibrated. It gives the guarantee of smooth operation for a long time.